friends, welcome to Smart Talk and thanks for clicking this video here. I'm Neha Full. Today I will teach you about the remaining lesson about determiners. So in that I will teach you about several, other, either, neither and or. So very first I explain you about all. All is a determiner. So what is the uses of all? Explain you that very first. It is a determiner. So very first explain you that it is a determiner and all can be used before a countable noun. All can be used before a countable noun and just like all boys, all girls, or you can say all books. And as well as an uncountable noun. It means it can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Clear, friends? Now I write it indicates all the people and about all the things. All the things which considered a group. A group and the whole of something. And at the last I write here for you, in the first case all takes a plural verb. So very first I explain you that what are the uses of all. It is a determiner. All can be used before a countable and uncountable nouns. It indicates all the people and all the things. Considered a group and the whole of something. In the first case, all takes a plural verb. So this is the exact definition of all and I utilize it for you with the example which is if I write here in the first case. So in the first case if I write here all the boys were absent, and in the second case if I write here all the money is useless for me, and it turns into singular verb. And the last is about all can also be used as a pronoun. Okay, it can be used as a pronoun, and I write here all that glitters is not gold. So look here, I write in the first case all the boys were absent. It means all the boys were absent, so it is in the plural case. So why it is counted as a plural case? Because I write here all for the boys. So the boys are counted as plural nouns, or we can recognize it from were. Why? Were is also utilized for plural nouns, and in the second case all the money is useless for me. So here I utilize all but the money. So the money is counted as singular verb. All the money is useless for me. It is counted as what? Singular verb. So both sentences are very different. I just mean to say that I just teach you that all is counted as countable and uncountable nouns. So here I explain you about plurals and here about singulars. And what is the next? The next is all can also be used as a pronoun. So all that glitters is not gold. So here I utilize all because all that glitters is not gold. So all can also be used as a pronoun. Pronoun is used as a noun in place of a noun, and noun is a name of a person or a thing. So here I utilize gold. That's why I utilize here all. In the end, I explain you that all can be utilized in plural and singular cases as well as in pronouns. Clear, friends? Now I teach you about either and neither. What are the software uses of either and neither in your daily life conversation and in writing skills? So, either and neither. Very first, I explain you about either and neither. So, either means one of the two. It means one of the two, whereas neither means what? It just means not one and not the other. Okay, so either can be followed by or, and neither by nor, and neither by nor, and I added here both these determiners take singular verb. Take singular verb. So very first I explain you about either. Either means one of the two. It means one of the two, whereas neither means not one and not the other. It means it is in positive situation, and neither means it is in the negative. Clear, friends? Now either can be followed by or and neither by nor. Both these determiners take singular verb, so always remember that these take singular verb. Now explain you by using some examples which are by using either or and neither nor. So here I write very first either of these two, and I can write here tables will do, and the second one is you can either write or you can write here phone or phone to get a copy. So this is about either and or. So now I write here, if I write he is either a friend or a Swiss, and I can write here neither and nor. So I write here neither of them was present in the class, and at the last I write here neither of them knows the answer. So this is about either or and neither nor. When you're talking about either or, it means that it will be in the present and it must be in the positive form. And if you're talking about neither or nor, it means that it must be in the negative form. So here I write either of these two tables will do. It means both these tables. And you can either write or phone to get a copy. It means you have two options. You have just two options, that you can either write or phone to get a copy. He is either a French or a Swiss. It means he is as well as French or as well as a Swiss. And at the last I write here neither of them was present in the class. It means it is in the negative form, so that I apply here neither of them was present in the class. It means all are absent. At the last, neither of them knows the answer. It means nobody knows the answer. So at the last I explain you that, I repeat, either is used in positive and it is used in negative. So just remember that when you're talking about either and neither, it must be in positive and negative situations. So I hope it is sufficient for today. I will meet you in the next lesson with some few topics. So goodbye for the time. Take care.